Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we'll be starting Algebra, chapter number 1. This is the book Primary Mathematics New Syllabus Oxford, second edition, grade 6 के लिए. Simplifying and evaluating algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Here what we'll be doing is, first of all, we'll tell you what is the expression and what is the equation. In any question, if equal sign is given, right, 2x plus 1 is equal to 3, this equal is given, so this is called equation. But if you find only 2x plus 1, 3y plus 2, x squared minus 1, there is no equal sign here, so these will be called expressions. So this is the difference between equation and expression, that in the question you will clearly find out that equation equal sign is given already in the statement, but if this equal sign is absent like this, so you will name it as an expression. So this is a basic difference between equation and expression. Now we'll do from number 1, this page number 1. Ahmed is X years old. So Ahmed is how much? X years. Okay. His sister is 4 years older than him. His sister. She is 4 years older, means her age is 4 years more than X. So her age will be X plus 4. If Ahmed has X, okay, so let's suppose Ahmed has age of 8. If her sister is 4 years older, so we will add 8 plus 4, 12. Similarly, here we don't know the value of the number for his age, that how older he is, so we will just add 4 to his age, x plus 4. Okay, how old is his sister? Okay, so this is the answer, that his sister is x plus 4 years old. Okay, then we'll do number 2. This was 1. Number 2, there are 9 apples in a basket. Okay, how many apples? 9. Why apples are rotten? So rotten apples are how many? Y. These apples you can't eat because these are rotten. Okay, and are thrown away. So these are thrown away. Okay, how many apples are left? So no, you will have less number of apples because total are 9 and y were thrown. Okay, so from the total you will do minus for the rotten apples because these were away. So you are only left with this 9 minus y. So this is the answer, that 9 minus y apples are left now. Okay, after throwing y apples which were rotten. So these were first 2 points or questions. This is very simple. Just you need to watch the videos and you will inshallah feel easy to solve these questions. Number 3 says there are P plates. Plates are given how many? P. And there are P plates and twice as many bowls as plates. Bowl, how many bowls? There are twice than plates. Okay, if P is this, so they are twice, double. For double we do like this, 2 into P. So how many balls are there? 2 into P. Okay, how many balls are there? So we need to find out how many balls. When we multiply the number with the alphabet, so we write like this, 2P. Okay, no need to write this multiplication sign. So now our answer is that we have only, no, we have balls. How many balls? 2P. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, question was there are P plates and twice as many balls as plates. How many balls are there? Now number 4, quickly we will be moving because these are very simple and you will be happy that there is no difficulty here. Number 4, 7 children share Q biscuits equally. So how many children? 7. Okay, and how many biscuits? q biscuits. How many biscuits does each child get? Okay, so for one child, for each child, what we do is that we just divide the biscuits on the number of children. Means to say, if there are 6 children and you have 12 biscuits, so how would you come to know that how many biscuits each child will get? What you will do, that you will divide biscuits with the children, 12 over 6. So every children will get 2 biscuits. So similarly, we need to divide biscuits q by child. How many children? 7. So the answer is q over 7. Each child gets q over 7 biscuits. Okay. So now we'll be moving to the next page, page number 3. Hope you will feel easiness because these are very simple. Kate has p cookies. So it is given that Kate has p cookies. Okay. Junhao has 3 p cookies. It is given in the statement. Junhao has 3 p cookies. Okay. How many cookies do they have altogether? Both. How many? If Kate has p, Junhao has 3p. Okay. How many total? I mean altogether mean total. So we will just add like Kate plus Junhao total. So this is p. We will add plus 3p in it. Okay. So when we are doing algebra, okay, so and when we are doing plus, okay, and when the alphabets are the same, these are the alphabets, these are called variables. Okay, these a, b, c, p, q are these are alphabets, and these are called variables. Variables mean their value changes. In one question it may be 3, in another question it will be 4. So they can have any value. Okay. So when the variables are same, okay, this is coefficient. Okay, this is called coefficient. 3p, p, this 3 is coefficient, and it is also called constant. Constant mean 3 will remain always 3. If you say I have 2 cookies in my hand, you will never say I have 3 cookies. You will say 2 cookies. So like this, if you have 3 cookies, everybody knows what is the meaning of 3. So 3 has a fixed value 3. Okay. So when we need to add these two, we see that variables are the same. We are adding. So coefficients are added up. We just need to add the coefficient. P has coefficient 3. This P, it is not alone. Here it has 1. But we don't write when we write in algebra. So 1p is equal to p. We don't usually write this like this. We write like this. So it is understood that it has a constant of 1. Okay. So here we have constant 1. So we just need to add the constants. This 1 will be added to 3. It becomes 4. This p remains one time. Okay. So 1p plus 3p is equal to 4p. So 4p is the answer that Kate and Junhao, they will have altogether 4p cookies with them. Okay. Now the next question is simplify 2q plus 4q. Here they want to tell you that you should know in algebra how to add the things. Okay. So the way I told you here, this is variable. Okay. And these are the constants. Okay. So when we are adding up, we just need to add the constants. We will add 2 and 4. Okay. 2 plus 4 is 6. Q will come only one times. Okay. So the answer will be 6q. Okay. This is how we add up in algebra. Okay. Now we will move ahead. Things are very easy. Just you need to be focused and give your time to math, and you will get to know easily. Simplify. Number 3 is simplify 3r plus. It is given that simplify 3r plus r plus 5r. So we need to add up. Here we see that coefficient, this is the first condition, that when you are adding coefficients, if coefficients are the same, okay, sorry, these are variables. If variables are the same, then you need to add up their coefficients, the constant amounts. This is 3. Here we have 1. Okay. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. It becomes 9R. Okay. So this is the answer for this question.